Hello, my name is Danny Hendricks and I'm playing Aladdin.
I'm Jason Mark Williams and I'm playing Abanazar.
I am Eric Potts and I am playing Widow Twanky.
I'm John Evans and I'm playing Wishy Washy, Aladdin's daft brother.
So my name is Jay Davis and I'm playing the princess.
My name is James Lusted and I'm here at Venue Cymru for this year's pantomime playing the High Counselor.
Why do I love Panto? I love Panto because it's the first time kids often come to a theatre and see a live show.
I love Panto because it's filled with magic, joy, excitement, and it really brings the family together.
I love Panto because it allows children to be children. Oh, and it allows grown-ups to be children as well.
Without Panto last year, it was a bit tough.
Last year for me without Panto was really difficult.
Last year with no Panto was very strange, of course, but the beauty of it is this year will be extra special.
If I had a genie tucked away in a magic lamp somewhere, I would wish for world peace. Oh, and a Bentley.
I would wish for a Liverpool Football Club season ticket, maybe even a hospitality box.
I would wish for unlimited travel to anywhere in the world, which I wouldn't have to pay for.
I probably wish for seats next to James in his executive box at Anfield.
People should book for this Panto because it's going to be a magic, spectacular production with colours, songs, dancing, and maybe even a magic lamp.
Because this show is like no other show you're ever going to see. It's so exciting, we've got great music, big laughs, and it's going to be fantastic. Don't miss it.